Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the traditional steamed grouper. Ingredients are tiger grouper 1 piece, approximately 900 grams, dried mushroom 2 pieces, lean pork meat approximately 70 grams, ginger 5 to 6 juliennes, coriander and scallion 1 stalk each, cooking oil 4 to 5 tablespoons. Marinade: Shaoxing wine 1 teaspoon, oyster sauce half teaspoon, light soy sauce half teaspoon, cornstarch 1 teaspoon, granulated sugar half teaspoon, cooking oil 1 teaspoon. Scale the tiger grouper with a paring knife. Rinse inside and out and pat dry. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and ginger julienne on top of the fish. Soak the dried mushrooms in hot water for at least 1 hour until soft. Remove the stem and julienne. Rinse the pork and cut into shreds. Mix with the mushrooms and marinate in a large bowl. Marinate for 10 minutes. Add shredded pork into the frying pan. No need to add oil. High heat to stir fry for 1 minute and pour on top of the fish. Steam on stove top, wrap in heat resistant cling wrap and put in the wok. When the water boils, steam on high heat for 8 minutes. Use steamer 100 degrees. Steam for 8 minutes as well. While steaming the fish, rinse and chop the coriander and scallion. Take out the fish when done. Remove the accumulated water and lay the coriander and scallion on the fish and pour hot oil on top. Drizzle sweet soy sauce and serve. Enjoy!